Well, it's the morning of day 10, and we're going to try and attack the URL to Markdown, the free feature, and post it in a way that we show the kind of feature roadmap. I also had a really interesting discussion with my next door neighbor. The father of the household. He was kind of actually creating a competitor to you, Sam, if you're watching. He's wanting to create kind of like a tech scraper in a way that actually utilizes RAG and extra context from your previous CVs to really formalize what your ideal tech role, professional tech role will be. So it's not really a competitor to you, to be honest, Sam. But anyway, interesting discussion. But then he also told me about what he kind of does with GPT. He actually takes a picture of like what actionables he has in the day, and he lets GPT create like a structured plan. So it could be high importance, how intense the actual action will be, and the other metric, I forgot what it was, but that's quite an interesting switch for thoughts to actions. It's okay, ramble your thoughts, ramble your plan for the day, ramble the necessary things you need to do, and thoughts to actions will give a kind of gamified task version of it for you. That's kind of an interesting approach, and I kind of like the rebranding and different angle, so I'm going to keep it. But yeah, those are two agendas for today. Got badminton in the evening, so we'll speak soon. Okay, a quick slight change of plans. I just ran and got all the chicken, fruits and etc. just so that I can go in and grind work and not have to worry about that and actually eat good. So that was a quick break, and let's get back to work now. Speak soon. Okay, chicken is getting in the oven. I'm going to be using Tilda. I was about to say I'm a chef, and then I'm kind of exposing myself for instant rice. So maybe I'm not a chef. But these look peng, okay? Allow me. I'm going to eat a massive meal now. I've converted into a 1 meal a day person, apparently. I need to work out the kind of calories on it because I think I am way under my usual. And the fact I'm playing badminton and all that. But anyway, I have just really thought about the marketing aspect of all of this. And I have just kind of been shooting at the wall without an actual validated problem. So this is the fingers crossed. If the other boys, the partners of Avini, can actually identify validated problems, I think that's the best use of their time and the best way they can integrate themselves into the future of this Avini. But for me, I'm going to go down a different... I'm still going to shoot. So I want to finish the URL to Markdown idea. But I'm thinking of different ways to validate it more. So I'm going to immediately just come and show the URL to Markdown to individuals with a roadmap of the potential new features and basically ask if that's intriguing. In various group chats, various Reddit, various Twitter threads, various places, just in general. And if it's intriguing, I'll pursue it further. But I really do want to pursue that idea further because I think RAG for all, that sort of concept is really sick. And making RAG accessible and just providing like a URL or sitemap and creating a RAG agent from that is powerful. But the current one, I'm trying to also do that, rebrand it a little, maybe make it more about planning the day out, okay? Just go, wake up in the morning, take your phone out, ramble a bit, ramble about your plans, your actions, what you need to get done in the day, and the T2A AI will basically help you formulate your plan, your schedules, your structure in a way that your most kind of thought intensive tasks earlier maybe basically your tasks are ranked in certain ways from difficulty and necessity or various other criteria, and you get rewards and gamification to make you more incentivized to complete those tasks. But yeah, what do you think? A lot was said there and I've been walking around in circles, but I hope that makes it more interesting and intriguing about what I'm thinking and today was a lot more about thinking about the marketing perspective. I still want to get back up there and finish up the free MVP for the URL to Markdown, just so I can get that advertising on different socials about a potential for a RAG for all agent, a RAG for anyone sort of agent. But speak soon. Bye-bye.